Hi, and welcome everyone to another great NFL football telecast.
You have called tails. Is that correct? Oakland has won the toss and choose to receive. Good luck, men.
Grammatica is just about ready to kick this one away.
And number 42.
He kicks it off. Number 31 fields it cleanly. He was unable to make anything happen on that return.
This special teams coverage came swarming down on him, and he had nowhere to hide.
First and 10. He's looking to pass. Number 97 makes the play at the 22-yard line. He brought it down and ran with it, John.
The quarterback felt some pressure coming from the outside, and he decided to pull it down and run with it.
2nd and 4 coming up here. They'll go with a pass. Gannon rolls left, throwing, and he's brought down at the 32-yard line. 10-yard gain that time.
First down.
First and 10. Four-man front this time. Quick drop. He reaches the quarterback. Second down, and they need 15 for the first. Ball on their own 27. And it looks like an offset eye. He's looking to pass. He's looking, throwing left. And he finds the open man across midfield. And he's tackled at the 41-yard line. He showed some great moves after making the catch.
I don't think he thought they'd catch him. He had a great run after the catch, but they finally dragged him down.
First and 10. He's going to throw. Gets rid of it. Great catch. And he's tackled at the 30. Inside enemy territory. Looking to throw. Looking for an option. With the pass, he hits his receiver. Fredrickson makes the stop at the 12. And this is the 6th play of this drive. Dropping back. Gannon rolls out to his right. Ritchie, the intended receiver. So it's 2nd and 10. Ball on the 12-yard line. And this is the 7th play of this drive. Drops back. Starks pulls him down at the 4. Gannon made the play with his feet rather than his arm there.
Yeah, he really dug in to give extra effort that he needed to get in there.
3rd and maybe 2. Ball on the 4-yard line. Dropping back. Rolling left. Looking for a receiver in the middle. He delivered that pass right on time, perfectly for the touchdown.
The quarterback went through his progression and found a receiver that he thought had the best chance to haul it in for the score.
The kick is up. The point after is good. And so, John, we see this offense looking good and very pleased they were able to put together a nice package of plays for a touchdown.
Can't argue with the result. And the touchdown was the result that they were looking for. This offense can put it together.
Janikowski is just about ready to kick this one away.
33, number 82, to receive.
He gets the kick away. He gets under the kick and fields it cleanly. Breaks the tackle.
This is where you want to be able to respond. You also don't want to panic because it's only the first quarter.
First and 10. Ball on their own 24. And it looks like an offset on. Looking for blockers. On the carry. Romanowski got very good penetration there. He couldn't reach the corner on that run.
Yeah, as a back, you need to take what the defense is going to give you. That time, they wouldn't give him an inch.
And we're ready to start the second quarter. Makovica, the man in motion. He's going to throw. Throwing. Intercepted. It's loose. The Cardinals grab the live ball. The 50, the 40, the 30, the 20, the 10. Touchdown, Cardinals. And you know the defense is very angry at that missed opportunity.
You always need to be awake out there. You never know when this type of thing is going to happen.
And it's up. And he tacks on the extra point.
He is good.
Grammatica looks like he's just about ready to kick this one off.
Number 42.
He sends it off. He fields it cleanly. Let's see if they can have the same sort of success on this possession that they had on their last, picking up a lot of yardage through the air on their way to a score. So they have first and 10 here. Four linemen and three linebackers lined up defensively. Dropping back. Gannon took a hard shot on that play.
Whoa, his ears are ringing after that hit.
Second down, and they need 15 for the first. Ball on their own 25. Four-man front this time. Rolling out to his left. Passing to the short option. And he's brought down at the 31-yard line. Pickup of about 5. And they'll face a long third down here. Ball on their own 31. Nickelback in this time. They'll go with a pass. Throws over to his right.
Incomplete pass intended for number
Time for a
81.
punt here as it's now fourth down. Nine yards to go. Nickelback in this time. Looking to throw. Throwing. Great catch. And he's brought down at the 43. First and 10. Ball on their own 43. Four linemen and three linebackers lined up defensively. Quick drop. Looking downfield. Passing to his left. And he steps out of bounds at the 43. He stayed barely in bounds for the reception.
That's a receiver who can use the whole field. With the way he can make all those sideline catches, it widens the field for the quarterback.
So they're almost within their kicker's range. Four-man front this time. Drops back. Looking downfield. Goes to the middle. And he fails to hang on to that one. to just about in field goal range. Rolling right, looking for a receiver. And it looks like this one will be spotted at the 34. And they find themselves in scoring range. Drops back with the throw. Williams was the intended receiver. The defense hurried that throw.
Yeah, he had to get rid of the ball in a hurry.
And we'll see if the kicker can come through with a field goal here in the first half. One yard to go. Everybody up on the line. Looking downfield. Gannon throws. Nice connection. Now I've got the question going for it so early in the game. John, what do you think?
I don't know. I wouldn't do it. That's why you have special teams and defenses, so you don't have to worry about giving the ball right back on 4th down.
So they have 1st and 10 here. 4 linemen and 3 linebackers lined up defensively. Dropping back. He's looking. Tosses it right. Hits the target with the pass. And the defender brings him down at the 42-yard line. Getting closer to halftime in this tight battle, and they're looking to move downfield to set up a field goal attempt. 1st and 10. Ball on the 42-yard line. Boston in motion. Looking to pass. Gets the pass off. He hits his receiver. And he's stopped at the 37-yard line.
Now here's where the defense can make the best of the situation. They should bring a blitz because if they can get a sack, it makes a tough 3rd down and could force the kicker to have to try one from further out.
4 linemen and 3 linebackers lined up defensively. He's going to throw. Surveying the field. Looking for a receiver in the middle. He just dropped that pass.
And nothing is more disheartening to a quarterback than a drop pass.
3rd down now. You'd have to think they'll look for the go-to guy here.
And if the defense is thinking that too, they just might use him as a decoy.
The Cardinals are in the offset I formation. Throws it. And he makes no, he can't hold it in. That one goes off the receiver's hands, and it brings up 4th down.
Sometimes you see players try to run before they catch it. Knowing that he had to get the first there, he probably was thinking about where he was going before he caught the ball. And maybe that's why he dropped it.
Grammatica and the kicking team come on for this field goal attempt. Here's the long attempt. It wasn't long enough. He missed it. With time running out, they'll try to set their kicker up into position to put them out in front going into the locker room. It's 1st and 10. Looking downfield. Gannon passes to his right. He juggled it a bit and then lost it.
The defense needs to force him to throw underneath by using different coverages so they can't get big chunks of yardage in 1 or 2 plays.
It's 2nd down and 10 to go. Looking to pass. Passes it. And it's caught. Frederickson stops him at the 50. Pickup of about 5.
Gain of 5 on the play. Congratulations to the fans sitting in section 36, row 4.
A little over 4 to go.
2 tickets to our next home game.
Big play, big play.
He's going to throw. Gannon throwing short to the right side. He just couldn't bring that one in.
That's the old rule. If you get your hands on it, you got to catch it.
And they'll get ready to punt it away as we near the end of the half. The ball is right at midfield. Looking to pass. Stepping up. Looking for an option. Big hit on the ball carrier.
Boom! Now that is big-time football.
Nice job of picking up the first down by the quarterback.
And that's one thing that's hard to defend against in these short yardage situations.
at halftime. Oakland 7, Arizona 7. Back to the game. Number 9 looks like he's just about ready to kick this one off.
And number 33 to receive.
He sends this one toward the end zone. Wilson will try to bring this one back. Jones pulled on the face mask as he went in for the tackle.
Some of these defensive players think that face mask is a handle or something.
Ball right around midfield.
Somebody get over there! Get over there!
Number 14 sends a man in motion. They'll go with a pass. With the throw, and the catch is made. And he stops at the 32-yard line. Bush makes the catch, his first of the day. With the carry. Harris stops him for negative yardage. Loss of around 2.
Loss of 3 yards.
It's all on us. Come on, D. Focus, D. Focus. Watch the backs. Watch the backs.
He hands it off. And he's tackled at the 35-yard line. He might have gotten a yard or 2.
That guy got knocked around by that defense. He needs a little protection from his linemen.
3rd and long. Number 14 sets up. Looking to throw. Throws it. Bush was the intended receiver. He just knocked it down.
Yep, nothing fancy there. Don't even give the receiver a chance. Just knock it down.
Gramatica heads out onto the field for the field goal attempt. He gets off the long field goal try.
The kick is no good.
First and 10. Looking downfield. Throwing. And it's caught. And he goes out at the 50-yard line. Brigham is there for the catch, his first of the game. Second and 2 coming up here. Ball at midfield.
Switch.
And it looks like an offset on.
Watch the backs.
Looking to pass. Number 8 passes to his right. And the defender brings him down at the 49-yard line.
Face mask on the defense, number 51.
He got his hands on the face mask when trying to make the tackle.
You know, there's so many limbs flying and body parts moving around. You just tackle whatever you can and just grab anything that's moving. Sometimes you get a handful of mass.
So they're almost within their kicker's range. 4-man front this time. He's going to throw. Throwing. He just can't find a way to bring that one in. There's a flag on the play.
Loss of 10 yards.
The Raiders certainly aren't helping themselves with penalties like that.
This offense cannot be effective if they make mistakes like that.
Set. Big play. Double.
Looking downfield. Number 95 takes him down at the 45. Second and long coming up here. Set. 4-man front this time. He's going to throw. Tosses it right. Great catch. The 30. And he stopped at the 22. Jet makes a great reception on a pass that was way over his head.
You can go to this guy anytime, even if it's not a perfect throw. He has the uncanny ability to always come up with a catch.
So they have 1st and 10 here. Ball on the 22-yard line. Back to pass. Number 8 with the pass. He finds his man. He threw a great pass, and they get into the end zone.
The quarterback knew that he had to make that pass perfect, and he got the job done on that one.
The kick is up. The extra point attempt is good. And the coaching staff is happy after that drive. Touchdowns against this defense aren't easy to come by.
Big players make big plays, and that scores touchdowns. Give some credit to the linemen out there. They're the biggest guys on the field, and without them, no one gets into the end zone.
He kicks it off. Trying to give them good field position. Well, he's shaken up after that play. We'll get you a report from the sideline when we get the information. First and 10.
Big play, D, big play. Switch, switch. Get in there, rough him up, D. Dig deep, D, dig deep.
He gets the carry. And he's brought down at the 27. Not much on that play.
Yeah, you talk about a defensive line winning the battle, and this is what you mean. The running back gets to the line, and there's nowhere to go after that.
So we've reached the end of the third quarter with the Oakland Raiders ahead of the Arizona Cardinals, 14-7. Melissa, what have you heard?
I was able to talk to the team doctor, Al, and he indicated that it's a minor injury. They expect that it'll take a series or 2 off, then return to the field.
Melissa, thanks for the update. Sounds like he'll be back very soon. Searching for a seam. And the defender brings him down at the 36-yard line. He really covered some good ground there.
And here's a guy with great speed who can pick up the first, then keep the ball moving downfield.
So they have 1st and 10 here. Ball on their own 36. They'll go with a pass. With the pass, no completion there. Incomplete. That pass might have been thrown a little too hard.
Well, he slung it in there, but the receiver just couldn't come up with it.
It's 2nd down and 10 to go.
Watch the backs, watch the backs. Watch.
Looking for an opening. And he's tackled at the 37-yard line. That run won't move them far.
The lineman just failed to open up any holes to run through or give him room to work with.
It's 3rd down, and they have a long way to go. With an extra DB, the defense is in the nickel. Dropping back, throws it out over to the left. Knocked away. The defense came up big on that incompletion.
This is where you have to clamp down. Play tight, keep the pressure on.
Play is back to punt. Brown lines up deep for the punt return. Brown looks this punt into his hands. He picks up a few yards on the return.
Nope, the coverage team had him wrapped up before he could do anything with it.
It's 1st and 10. Ball on their own 40. 4 linemen and 3 linebackers lined up defensively. Looking for an opening. The carry. Breaks the tackle. Davis stops him at the 41. 1-yard gain on that play. And we've reached the 2-minute mark. It's 2nd down and 9 to go. Ball on their own 41. Nickelback in this time. Back to pass. And it looks like they'll mark it at the 48. Fresh set of downs after a nice pickup on the ground.
Hey, nice job up front, holding their block and allowing him to get a good run for a first down.
The ball is right at midfield. Looking to pass. With the pass, Warlow can't come up with it on that attack, and he's unable to hang on to that one.
With some players, they say the worst place to hit him is right in the hand. Looks like this may be one of those guys.
So it's 2nd and 10. Ball on the 48-yard line.
Set. One back. Watch the middle.
Looking to throw. And he's stopped at the 42. He breaks this one for a gain.
You know, you can run any defensive scheme you want, but I'll tell you this, it's hard to compensate for the quarterback that can scramble and make plays on the run.
They're just about in field goal range.
Get in there. Rough him up. Set. Watch him.
Looking to pass. Number 8 throws it over to his right. And he makes the grab. And he's stopped at the 19.
They've almost got this game won, but they still need to run it to make the defense use their timeouts.
So they have 1st and 10 here. Ball on the 19-yard line. 4 linemen and 3 linebackers lined up defensively. Dropping back with the pass, and he can't hang on to it. Crockett just dropped that pass.
Well, the quarterback did his job, and he delivered the ball right to him. He's going to have some explaining to do in the huddle.
They're inside the 20.
Set.
He's going to throw. Rolls right, looking downfield. Number 8 faces to his right. Woods records the tackle at the 11-yard line. So that tackle now gives him 4.
I'm guessing this should be a run. The defense can't be lollygagging around, because if they are and they give up a first, this one's over.
Down inside the 15.
Watch him, man. Watch him.
4-man front this time. Quick drop. Number 8 throws left. And a great throw for the touchdown.
Yeah, he threw that where only the receiver could get it.
And so once again, a touchdown pass.
Set.
And it's up. The extra point attempt is good. Number 9 looks like he's just about ready to kick this one off.
And number 33, Tennessee.
He gets the kick away. Penalty marker down.
Illegal kick out of bounds. Kicking team.
They'll pass on every play from here on out.
When you're down by more than 1 score and there's less than a minute left, that's all you can really do.
Single. Watch him. It's all on us. Come on, D. Strong side. Pass.
They'll go with a pass. With the pass, nice connection. Shaw makes the tackle at the 41-yard line. 1st and 10.
For a first down.
Get in there. Rough him up. Come on, defense. Rip it up. Single.
They have to move him down quickly here on 2nd down. 2nd and 10.
Make it happen, D. Make it happen.
Number 14, under center.
Switch it up.
Back to pass. He's looking. Passes it. It's batted away. Number 31 knocked that one down.
You know, the quarterback needs to put that ball in a position where the defender can't get to it. That didn't happen there. They're running out of time and downs. It's time for them to call their best play before it's too late.
Looking looking to throw. Steps up into the pocket. Number 14 with the throw. With that drop, it's now 4th down.
And that's really frustrating for a guy when he knows he could have kept the drive going. But he just couldn't hang on to the pass.
4th and 10 coming up. Ball on the 41-yard line.
Set. Strong side. Strong side. Hut, hut. Hut, hut. Hut, hut. Hut.
Dropping back with the throw. The pass is picked off.
I think they'll probably just kneel down on this play.
So they have 1st and 10 here. Ball on their own 23.
Set. Strong side. Strong side. Hut.
He's looking to pass. Rolls right, looking for a receiver. Number 8 sends the pass away. And the defender brings him down at the 37-yard line. Great reception on that play, John.
Looks like someone might have blown their coverage on that one.
With the defense not having all of its timeouts, they'll probably come out and take a knee here on 1st down. 1st and 10. Ball on their own 37.
Get in there. Rough him up. Set. Watch the backs. Watch the backs. Box. Box. Hut.
They'll go with a pass. Looking for a receiver. With the pass, Wheatley couldn't make the catch. Fisher didn't give him a chance on that one.
He was in a great position to make that play. This one's just about over. The defense doesn't have enough timeouts to get the ball back, as long as the offense takes a few kneel downs.
2nd and 10. Ball on their own 37. Number 8 with split backs.
Make it happen, D. Make it happen. Hut.
Looking downfield. Throws it. And it's caught. And he stopped at the 47. He'll be taking a knee here on 1st down.
Yeah, the defense doesn't have enough timeouts to force a punt.
1st and 10.
Make it happen, D.
And time runs out. The game is over. The final score is Oakland 21, Arizona 7. Reminder to join us next week for another high-powered matchup. Stay tuned now for your late local news, or on the West Coast, your normal programming. This has been a presentation of EA Sports. I'm Al Michaels, and for our entire crew, good night.